He's not projected. He's never told me that it's gone deeper than that.
I think it like all.
Tell me what
you have to correct me if I'm wrong.
So, come on.
What I'm getting is like these eagles and shit and all these sacrifices type shit and in all churches and shit, and that sort of bollocks me. Like I said, I'm not an expert on this. You'll have to.
Going well, you're doing well. Come on, tell me what you're on about. Don't fuck around. Just tell me what you're on about.
Who, me?
People. Yeah, you're live on Earth. What you on about? What is he doing?
What's he doing?
Rebel Rhymes.
Well, I don't know what he's fucking doing.
He's here. Look at him. I'm recording this. Don't record it. Get over here, you little dick. I'm recording this. Bro, where you're going, there'll be no record button, mate. You're going under, mate. You don't talk to me soon. You're done, mate. I warned you.
Yeah, I think
I warned you. I wasn't lying.
Trust me. I'd like to. It would be a good fucking video, mate. And your celebrity chat. I'd like to watch that, mate. That'd be good.
Yeah, but he thinks I'm going to be complete. Come with him. I wouldn't be, would have done.
I don't think so, no.
No, it's unlikely. It's possible, but it's...
You haven't been a cunt with him.
Exactly.
I don't think.
Yeah, exactly. No, I think I've actually... Well... I mean, I'm not going to even lie. I consider you like a friend, mate. You know what I mean?
Nice one, mate.
Well, I've never done that on the internet apart from you with Brother John and Sister Sis.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure, like after COVID, shit, like you and me, like what you tell your missus, you say like, I'm going to meet my mate, like, and we're going to have 2 nights in Blackpool. 2 nights. Just tell her like, I just said to her like, well, I've helped him get through COVID. 2 nights in Blackpool, just you and me. Oh, Rebel Rhymes can come. Rebel Rhymes is the same as we was about how many years ago? It's like 3-4 years ago, wasn't it? You were off your head. Listen, let me bring your photographic memory in. I remember you were off your head. I was off your head. Everyone was off their head.
I wouldn't set off his head, mate.
You was off your head. I remember.
No, we were trying to sort shit out, weren't we, mate? We were trying to get the grasp. Get a grasp of what was going on.
Well, you'll never get a grasp of what's going on, but it's actually...
Well, I know that, man. I know that.
Yeah, but you don't know that when you're 35, do you? Yeah? You and me were arch enemies. I was calling you a shill and you were calling me a shill. Do you remember years ago we were doing it, weren't we?
Yeah, and I'm still doing it, Andrew. Still doing it. Just listen to what you had to say about the fucking bird, mate. You're just scratching the surface. Yeah? You're just scratching the surface. Like that guy said that you're talking to there because he knew I was listening to him. Yeah? He knew I was listening, so he said, oh no, but he's been a bit deeper into it than that. He's done a lot of other things to do with it. Yeah, I have. I've been all over it for fucking years. Years, Andy. And you're saying it's just to do with blue and red. That's part of it. It's convoluted though, it's much deeper than that. And you're saying that's all it is.